ngayon nga po ang botohan, alam na natin na I think your information is as good as mine na si Senate President Chis Escudero will be retained as our Senate President. I know for a fact na maraming akong nakausap din na senador, and just like the majority of the members of the incoming 20th Congress, I am also in support of the current Senate President. Basically, if you look at his accomplishments, I've known him for quite a long time. You and I would know, man, deputy minority leader ako nung nasa Kamara kami nung minority leader si Senator then minority leader Chis Escudero. I've seen his work. I have seen how sinasabi ko nga advantage and disadvantage minsan yung pagiging OC niya kasi for the past few months na nandito sa Senado, pag humingi siya ng tulong, for instance sa akin, ito tutukan itong isang panukalang batas na ito maipasa, etc., we would be spending and burning midnight oils literally here in the Senate. Siguro kahit tanungin niyo po yung mga nag-i-stay dito, yung ating ating elevator girl, na pag nakikita kami, mag-overtime na naman ba kami? So, yun po, for me, madali ho yung naging decision because result-oriented po tayo. At the end of the day, you look at the accomplishments of the Senate during his tenure, marami ho talagang naipasa. And at the same time, yung respeto niya sa ating mga senador. Yun lang pag-file kanina, di ba, ng bills, binigyan niya ng equal treatment lahat ng senador, bago ka man or luma.